We're here on beautiful Lake Nicaragua in Nicaragua. We're taking a wonderful boat ride. Look, that's one of the volcanoes, and we're going along the water, and we're looking at native birds and other animals nearby.
What is this right here? This is a private vacation home on the left.
Imagine you can have your
the bathroom over here. Not the house.
That's our wonderful guide Juan
It's
Carlos.
owned by the wealthy family of Nicaragua.
Okay, here
Actually,
we're.
the house is more on inside the trees in there. It's a two-story house. You barely see the wall over there. See?
Yeah.
But the house was built by their kids as a birthday gift for their mother.
Oh, wow. Oh, very
She
nice.
comes here like maybe twice a year at the most.
Wow. Beautiful. So
They have like 50 companies.
here we have. We'll take another view here. Very pretty.
Family,
So come with us,
is like
Eva's Best Travel and
$4
Cruises, when we take you to Costa Rica, Nicaragua, all of Latin America, all the world, and the United States.
That is the port in front of us.
Oh,
That
here's
is
the
a
port.
military port built by the Spanish way back in 1783.
Wow.
This was built with a purpose to stop the pirates from robbing the city of Granada. Because a lot of gold went out of Granada to Spain in the old days. So the port
That's
was
the
built
port?
with rocks which are found on the island. And it was provided with cannons to sink the boats of the pirates. Because the city is just right over there. You
Call
can
us,
see the city in the
Eva's
back
Best
of us.
Travel and
See Granada is
Cruises,
just right there.
203-221-3171,
See the smoke behind the cathedral? Way in the distance?
888-499-7245.
That's the volcano we're gonna visit.
Diviértete en
Masaya,
Nicaragua.